Hi, my name is Feliz Camus. In this project, I have created a model for sentiment analysis with deep learning on product reviews data. Customer experience is the key for business success. Now more than ever, it's the key for companies to pay close attention to voice of customers to improve the customer experience. By analyzing and getting insights from customer feedback, companies have better information to make strategic decisions and accurate understanding of what the customer actually wants, and as a result, a better experience for everyone. A machine learning model can provide insight by automatically analyzing product reviews and separating them into tags as positive or negative. By using sentiment analysis to structure product reviews, you can understand what your customers like and dislike about your product, compare your product reviews with those of your competitors, get the latest product insight in real time, save hundreds of hours manual data processing, and you can also pick what you want to focus on first, negative or positive comments. I followed CRISP-DM methodology for this project. This CRISP-DM is a process framework for designing, creating, building, testing, and deploying machine learning solutions. I use Amazon's product review dataset from Kaggle. This dataset consists of total 4 million Amazon customers' reviews, and they are labeled in two categories. The performance of the model is related to balance in between number of comments from each category. So I check them. Labels are perfectly balanced. I have checked the word frequency for each group. This is a word frequency chart for top 30 most common words of positive reviews. And this is a negative reviews for frequency chart. The word book is the most frequent word for both groups. It's safe to say that booksellers would get massive amount of reviews. So reading and analyzing them should be super time consuming. A model like this would help tremendously. So suggestion for booksellers, an automated classifier such as this machine learning model would be very useful for them. I compared the comment size for each category. Customers who has negative experience tend to write longer comments. So another suggestion is longer comments might need more attention. I have trained 5 models as base models and chose the best performing one to tune. Since deep learning models need a lot of computational power and memory, I have used small sample from the data set to train these models. Those 5 are dense neural network, and CNN is the convolutional neural network, and recurring neural network, and CNN with GLOW embedding, and RNN with GLOW embedding. GLOW embedding is a pre-trained dictionary that would help for my model, but in the end, the CNN model was the best performing one. I have used convolutional neural network. I have tuned convolutional neural network. My laptop CPU couldn't handle the training with full data set, so I trained the model on Kaggle, which is a website that provides a platform for us to deal with massive data set and heavy computations for machine learning. You can easily use this model for classification for any Amazon product. All you need is run the web command function, and it'll ask you to input the Amazon product URL. We just copy and paste the URL and press enter. And the model will give you how many comments are there in total. It also labels each one of them as positive and negative, and filters the negative ones so that you would see why your customers are complaining first. To get a valuable insight to revise your customer service, you would read and analyze only 3 comments instead of 20. Huge time and money saving in the long run. As future works, for customer use, I would create a web application out of this model prediction. And also web scraping can be adapted to any product website other than Amazon. So it's not just for Amazon products. It could be adapted to any company's website, any company's product reviews. For model performance, I would create bigrams before vectorization. Bigrams are word couples that make more sense together, such as New York. Or I would also compare the different word scoring methods for tuning my model. I used binary, but there are others such as count, TF, IDF, frequency. Those methods are used to select the most impactful words that would be used for the model. That concludes my presentation. Thank you for listening. If you have any question, please feel free to ask.